welcome to another video here on the CMB Tech channel. And in today's video we are going to be doing a review and audio test with the Rode Videomic Go. So this is a shotgun microphone, so you can only hear the audio that is directly in front of me. So now let's look at some clips and audio from the Rode Videomic Go to see how different it is compared to the standard Nikon D3300 audio. So this Rode Videomic Go will cost you around about £50 from Amazon normally, and it is actually a very good microphone. It's got a nice all-round sound, significant improvement from the standard microphone usually in your standard camera. However, there does suffer some static noise and white noise while you are around, and there's no one else around you, so inside when there's hardly any noise except you, it does suffer some static. So now we are filming with the Rode on the top, but I've just disconnected it from the audio jack on the Nikon D3300. So this is pure Nikon D3300 sound here. I'll just spin around to get some different sort of sounds for you guys. And that's basically it. I'm still behind it as you can see. But this is the inbuilt audio from the D3300. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video and you found out a lot about the Rode Videomic Go and whether you should buy it for your DSLR or CSC. Be sure to go and leave a like and also subscribe as usual. And lastly, go and check out our social medias, CMB Tech_ on both Twitter and Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.